Welcome to this Friday civics lesson on the common law role of police. Our central question is, who do the police serve? In any free society, we must be clear. If police serve the state, liberty cannot survive. Under common law, police were never meant to be instruments of political power. They are peace officers upholding the law and protecting the rights of the people. Understanding this is essential for a lawful society. The origins of policing are rooted in common law, dating back centuries. The Magna Carta of 1215 established the rule of law, meaning the law stands above rulers. Early roles like sheriffs, constables, and the night watch were local guardians, preserving peace and protecting citizens' rights. Canada inherited its legal system from English common law. Across federal, provincial, and municipal levels, police officers are sworn as peace officers. Regardless of the organization, their oath is to uphold the law and maintain peace, not to serve political parties or government leaders. The rule of law is central, connecting the Crown, the government of the day, and the police. Police act as agents of the Crown, fulfilling their duty to lawful authority, not political direction. This structure prevents government power from being used arbitrarily against citizens. The title peace officer describes a specific legal duty in common law. This includes preserving the peace, preventing crime, protecting persons and property, enforcing court orders, and ensuring public safety. Their authority maintains lawful order, not political interests. Operational independence is a key safeguard in democratic systems. Legislatures pass laws, and police exercise professional judgment in enforcing them. This ensures the law is applied equally, and investigations are not controlled by politicians. Without it, policing could become an extension of political power. Canadian courts affirm core principles of the rule of law. No person is above the law, government power must be exercised according to law, and officials cannot use arbitrary authority. These decisions reinforce that both citizens and government are bound by law. Public trust is essential for lawful order. Police rely on citizen cooperation, and citizens rely on police for safety. A healthy relationship requires mutual respect, a clear understanding of lawful roles, and confidence that the law is applied fairly. A strong relationship strengthens both liberty and public safety. Modern governance increasingly relies on administrative systems and digital technologies. While governments use these systems, they do not replace the rule of law. Government authority remains limited by law, and courts test whether actions remain lawful. No system stands above the Constitution or common law. The common law tradition establishes a core principle: the police serve the law, and the law protects the people. Police are peace officers whose duty is to preserve the peace and uphold the rule of law. A free society depends on this role being understood and maintained. As a reminder, freedom survives when citizens understand how their institutions function. The common law tradition places the law above power and the protection of citizens at the center of the system. Understanding these principles is one of the most important responsibilities of citizenship.